How to register on Tripadvisor, how to sign up on Tripadvisor. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can register on Tripadvisor or sign up on the application. Now if you want to do it on application, the process is quite simple. You need to simply install the application from Play Store. You can get it on Play Store if you head into the Play Store, and if you're searching for Tripadvisor app, I've done so in the screen. You tap on it and you can simply tap on install and you'll be good to go. However, I'll be showing you here through the browser to sign up. You want to head into tripadvisor.com on your browser on any of your device. Once you do so, you'll be on this page right here on the screen. You want to tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it here, what you want to do is you can see at the very top sign in option. You want to simply tap on sign in option here. Once you tap on sign in here, it will prompt you to the sign in page or the login page. Now there are two different ways. You can either continue with Google account. If you already have Google account on your phone, everybody does have a Google account, right? So the easiest way will be simply tap on continue with Google, and it will prompt you to choose a Google account from your device. You want to simply select any account that you want and you can log in. However, if you don't have Google account, what you want to do is you want to tap on continue with email here. You want to enter in your email here. This is because if you already have an account. However, if not a member, what you want to do is let this load up. It's taking some time to load up now. So at the bottom below sign in option, you can see not a member option. Simply tap on not a member here if you are not a member. It's not working in my case. You can simply tap on join option there and it'll prompt you to the create account page here. You can simply enter in your first name, your last name, your email address and create a password and tap on join and it'll be joined. The shorter way to join would be simply tap on sign in here like before. Tap on sign in and tap on Google, and once you tap on Google here, you'll be able to directly select a Google account to log in. I'll just select this account at the very top and I'll be logged in. So this we can easily register on Tripadvisor. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.